That's so hyper quick. This is Vulcan Alpha. How cool is that? We're in the lounge of Shining 3D. Actually, the game is about to start. Good morning everyone from very beautiful off-season Nürburgring, typical Eiffel weather as of now. So this is why we're going to escape to another paradise full of beautiful weather, UK. But first we're actually going to Stuttgart because we'll be visiting Shining 3D, our partner in 3D scanning, because they're unveiling a new scanner, so there'll be a bit of techie stuff. And then we'll go to UK, meet Jimmy, Steve, Annie, Ria, Joe Keelys, and a lot more people, possibly, probably. So it might be separate video, it might be single video, I don't know. Let's get in touring and drive to Stuttgart.
Servus, hi.
Hey.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, good, you?
Good to see you.
Make you look the same one that we have in the box for the last year.
The box. It's not even open.
Ah, a go-kart. We're gonna be racing today. So now it's time to get up close with the reason why we came all the way to Stuttgart wearing a proper t-shirt, and we have also half of the real card there that we can scan. But here it is, Shining 3D Libre. And what makes it so special is, from what we can see, from what you could have seen on our channels previously, is that you need a laptop with the other scanner that we have with the cable. But this is not only without the cable, it's actually without a laptop and anything or computer necessary. Everything is integrated in the scanner, is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, show me what we have here. So does it work with memory cards, or how does it save the, or does it have internal memory?
Yeah, it has a SSD card.
Nice.
And, yeah, 1 terabyte. And
1 terabyte, yeah, I mean that's definitely necessary for the usual scans. If you want to have a full car scanned, I think it's, depending on the resolution, could be 50 gigabytes alone or more. So yeah, show me some features.
yeah, exactly. So it's very intuitive. So you can start with the scan mode, with the rapid scan infrared, or infrared adaptive, or the laser HD. And yeah, we start with the laser HD, and the alignment mode. We have different options. For example, best thing is the hybrid with feature and texture. So, and the resolution.
So you can change the resolution, you can change whether you want to use markers or not.
Yeah, exactly.
That's very convenient.
Yeah, and then you click on
Then
start.
you just go start. And then you can start. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So here we do have, so it's registering the markers, but we are actually taking the net away just to show that you actually don't need the markers to scan it. And off we go. Yeah. So.
Yes.
Nice. It's quick. It's very, very quick.
Yes.
Wie weit geht überhaupt? Also ich habe jetzt gescannt, kann
Very nice.
du kannst jetzt hier reingehen und zum Beispiel hier auch dann deine Teilbereiche auswählen, die du behalten willst. Wir machen es einfach mal, wir sagen, brauchen wir das nicht. Du löschen es löschen.
That's so hyper quick.
Du kannst hier bis fertig löschen.
It's perfect.
So then that's it. Then it's processing.
Yeah, and
Holy! And it even shows the colors.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
And you can look cutting plane or.
That is insane.
Yeah.
Wow! It actually scans the colors of the whole thing.
And here you can see the texture with good quality, or.
So you can see, yeah. So the blue is like the quality of it. So otherwise you would go a bit more over it.
And then, if you wanna back to the scan, you can.
Yeah. So you can resume it. So it remembers the object.
Exactly.
Wow. Ah, yeah, so it jumped now to this place where, because it found what you were scanning.
Exactly.
Wow. Yeah, so here you have more details, like the drivetrain of the go-kart. You can of course also see everything there as well.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. And the accuracy is the same as the previous one, 0.02 I guess, or
Yeah, exactly.
something like that, yeah.
Perfect. It's
Spot on. Wow.
And
Insane.
with 101 laser lines, blue laser lines.
Okay. Very cool.
We can do, for example, the other mode with the air rapid. With, for example,
You can have higher resolution.
yeah, for example, 1.5.
The screen is also so intuitive.
Yeah,
so
exactly,
quick.
like
That's
a
amazing.
tablet or smartphone. Feature hybrid without markers and texture. and we start again. And the rapid is...
This is without the lasers then? No.
Yeah, it's really cool. This is, yeah.
Wow.
So...
That's if you need something really super quick.
Yeah, it's even more faster.
I know there'll be so many people running with those at expos, scanning the cars to try to do, well not cars, but like parts to do reverse engineering. Seen it happen.
Okay, so it was a quick scan, and now you can see we have...
The processing is so fast, it's insane. And then when you're done and you want to upload to your PC, it's just using the Shining software. Then you just can copy and that's it.
The Shining software, it's really fast. You connect via Wi-Fi or with the USB-C cable, and then you can upload it really fast. And
wow, crazy.
It's also very intuitive.
Yeah. The battery life is depending, of course, on the usage and the resolution, but it's roughly between 2 to 3 hours, and you can also swap it. And I guess you can also use a cable if you would want to. Yeah. But wow, can I feel it the weight of it?
Yeah.
So, oh, it's light. It's like what, 4 kilos or so, maybe 3, something like that. Wow. Nice. This looks insane. That's a different type of selfie you can make. Thank you.
And you can also mesh or work here in the software. For example, you can mesh.
99%. It's almost there.
Now you can see it's...
Yeah, crazy.
Yes. And so fast.
Oh yeah, you can export the different files. Yeah, STL.
Or
step files, yeah.
everything.
Wow.
So yeah, really fast.
Amazing. Impressive. What's the price of this?
Something like 25,000. 26, so yeah.
Nice. For what you get in return. Because the one that we have, the combo, I think it's like 14. But then you need a laptop, you can still have the cables, you don't have this, so this is actually very good, very competitive. Insane.
Yeah.
Very cool. Thanks for the demonstration, really loved it. Awesome. If you don't want to use the dots, you can use the spray.
Yes, so I make a little bit of a texture on the part itself. I can now use the scanner. Increase the brightness a little bit, and now I use the texture alignment and I use the feature alignment, so I can easily capture the part itself. Okay, then I would say I'm happy with my result. And I have the texture again here, and I can immediately mesh my point cloud and have the STL file afterwards, so I can directly live see the result of my scan.
Crazy. Super fast. Not only with scanning, but also with processing.
Yes. So we have around 30,000 points what we scanned over here. If you use the texture alignment and feature alignment together, then the processing is a little bit longer. But if you would just use the without the texture, then the processing would be even faster.
Yeah. Crazy. Wow.
So we scanned already like really fast, I think like in 5 minutes or 4 minutes we scanned the
go-kart.
The go-kart, yes.
Wow.
You can also turn off the...
Where are the green parts?
Yeah, we put them away.
Find the differences. Let's play that game.
It's the new X-ray function.
Yeah. So now you can drive into Vulcan Alpha, have your car scanned, and then drive your car in a Assetto Corsa, possibly, maybe. Okay, so now we're going to show how you connect the scanner, so USB-C, go C2C, there we go, chop chop, then connect, connection request, so make sure that, obviously, no one gonna access your data without you allowing it.
And now it's connected and you can choose your...
So we have the bonnet, we have also the go-kart.
And your port.
Yeah, so the size of the files is around like 5 gigs, but then again it depends on the amount of detail. You can go much more crazier. Let's import the go-kart, yeah. So the importing is still Takes some time, but quick enough for 5 gigs. Alright, so it's imported. Oh nice, it also shows that it's actually imported, very convenient. And then we can open it. So that's our scan. You can see also the floor with it, of course, that you can remove if you want to.
You can see here.
Show texture, you can change it. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Very cool. Alright, enough about all the scanning stuff. Now we're gonna do something quite unique. We're going to watch Champions League game. You all know me, I'm such a big football fan. But for the experience, I'm definitely in to see how it's like. And food shots. But I'm gonna leave my camera here and just gonna switch to some old school phone filming. So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's fast forward to Shining 3D Lounge, and we have some good atmosphere and lots of food coming up. Woo! Yes, food shots incoming.
Look at this, oh yeah.
Oh, woo! Very hot, steamy. Steamy hot. But let's have a look what's there. Look at that. I'm more interested seeing you. Yeah. Hopefully I will not get sued for filming something I don't have a license for.
Yeah, and this is a really special one from the region of Stuttgart. It's rosé sect. So really good.
Yes, big yes. Actually, I totally didn't realize it, but this is Vulcan Alpha. How cool is that? We're in the lounge of Shining 3D. And actually, the game is about to start. I have no idea who is who and why. Are they dancing the duck dance? Or the Macarena?